Mga init-init na chismis. Donnie Pangilinan, professional daw siya pagdating sa trabaho dahil may nagkakainlaban daw talaga sa workplace. Ito nga ang kanyang sabi. For me, it's always better to be professional. I know in some cases, nagkakainlaban talaga or you can't help but to fall in love with someone at your workplace. But maybe just choose an appropriate setting or area. I always want to be professional when I'm on the set and when I'm working. It's true na may nagkakainlaban talaga and it can be helped, especially if you're with the same person 8 hours a day with the same person. It could happen. Pero professional talaga ako. Pag trabaho, kay Bel lang ang puso ko.